Hello and warm greetings to all of you wonderful souls tuning in from around the globe, whether you are in the bustling streets of New York, the serene landscapes of Europe, the vibrant communities of Asia, or anywhere else on this beautiful planet. Welcome to this transformative journey. I am thrilled to share with you a profound path that has the potential to change your life forever. If you are someone who's been searching on YouTube for terms like spiritual awakening, Kundalini activation, inner transformation, or global consciousness shift, then you have arrived at the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about achieving true spiritual awakening. We'll start from the very basics on what awakening means, explore the step-by-step process to ignite your inner divine energy, and guide you through practical methods for home-based transformation. You will learn about the powerful Sanjeevani mantra, a pure, life-reviving chant that acts as your key to this journey. And the best part, this entire path is completely free. No fees, no hidden costs, no need to travel or join expensive retreats. You can embark on this ride from the comfort of your own home with zero financial investment. That's right, not a single penny required. This is Guru Syag Siddha Yoga, a timeless practice designed for modern seekers like you, offering liberation, healing, and alignment with the emerging new era of consciousness. Let me paint a picture for you. In today's fast-paced world, many of us feel a deep sense of disconnection. Stress from work, relationships, and global uncertainties weights us down. We chase material success, but something feels missing. That inner peace, that spark of divinity. Spiritual awakening is the process of rediscovering that spark. It's when your consciousness expands beyond the physical, connecting you to the universal energy that flows through all things. This isn't just theory. It's a real, experiential shift that brings clarity, joy, and purpose. Guru Syag Siddha Yoga stands out because it makes this awakening accessible to everyone. Founded on ancient Indian wisdom from the Nath sect, it's been passed down through enlightened masters like Matsyendranath, who received it directly from Lord Shiv. Guru Syag, a modern-day perfected guru in this lineage, simplified it for our times. His mission was to spread this knowledge freely, believing that spiritual truth should never be sold. Through his grace, millions have experienced profound changes without leaving their daily lives. As we move forward, I will color the uniqueness of this yoga, the role of the Sanjeevani mantra, the simple home practice methods, the healing of body, mind and soul, and how this prepares you for the global spiritual shift, often called the 5D ascension or the dawn of a new earth. By the end, you will have all the tools to start your own transformation. Remember, this is not about rigid rules or forced efforts. It's about surrendering to a divine force that works through you automatically. Let's begin this adventure together. Spiritual awakening is like waking up from a long dream. It's the moment when you realize that life is more than just surviving. It's about thriving in harmony with the universe. In Guru Syag Siddha Yoga, this awakening centers around Kundalini Shakti, the divine feminine energy coiled at the base of your spine like a serpent ready to rise, that resides in every human waiting to be activated. When it awakens, it travels up through the 7 chakras, purifying your entire being and connecting you to the supreme consciousness. Why is this important? Because In our daily lives, we are often trapped in the what the yogis call Maya, matrix, the illusion of the material world. We chase fleeting pleasures, battle stress, and suffer from ailments that modern medicine struggle to cure. Kundalini awakening breaks these chains. It brings about a holistic transformation. Your body heals from diseases. Your mind finds peace amid chaos. And your soul aligns with its true purpose. From the teachings on why meditation is crucial in this path, we learn that meditation acts as a bridge to this inner power. It's not just sitting quietly, it's establishing a direct connection to the higher power within you. In Guru Siag Siddha Yoga, meditation combined with mantra chanting awakens this Kundalini effortlessly. Unlike other practices that require years of rigorous training, here the process is automatic. The divine force takes over, guiding your body through yogic postures and movements without your conscious effort. Let's expand on this. Imagine your body is a temple and Kundalini as the sacred fire within. When ignited, it burns away impurities, negative thoughts, addictions, and even physical illnesses. Practitioners report feeling vibrations, seeing inner lights, or experiencing spontaneous yoga poses during meditation. These are signs that the energy is at work, cleansing your system. The uniqueness of Guru Siag Siddha Yoga shines here. Unlike traditional yogas that demand strict diets, moral codes, or in-person gurus, this path has no such barriers. You can eat what you like, maintain your lifestyle, and even follow other spiritual practices if you wish. Initiation happens remotely through a video, audio, or even this description. No registration, no fees. It's open to all, regardless of age, religion, or background. Even children or those with disabilities can benefit. His relatives can practice on their behalf. Drawing from the material aspects discussed in the teachings, we see how this awakening interact with the everyday world. Stress, which causes 80% of diseases in our modern era, melts away as you experience Ananda, bliss, a divine bliss that's far superior to any material high. This bliss grows daily, making you independent of external crutches like drugs or alcohol. Addictions fade naturally because your inner cravings shift. Anger dissolves as you release it into the cosmos during meditation, turning it into pure energy. For the soul, this leads to profound spiritual growth. As per the spiritual aspects, regular practice involve your mantra chanting into ajap, involuntary repetition that happens 24/7. Then comes anahadanada, the unstruck cosmic sound vibrating in your ear, signaling deeper enlightenment. You might even experience Khechari Mudra, where divine necks flows, boosting immunity and curing ailments. This transformation is home-based and free. You don't need fancy equipment or retreats, just 15-minute twice a day, plus mental chanting during routine activities. It's that simple, yet powerful enough to prepare you for global changes. At the heart of Guru Siag Siddha Yoga is the Sanjeevani Mantra, a sacred chant infused with divine power from Radha and Krishna. Sanjeevani means life-giving, and true to its name, this mantra revives your dormant spiritual essence. It's not just a word, it's a vibrational frequency that resonates with the universe, awakening Kundalini and facilitating transformation. How does it work? The mantra is chanted mentally without moving your lips or tongue. Guru Siag imparts it during initiation, which you can receive freely while watching his video, discourses, or contacting the organization. Once initiated, you chant it round the clock, while working, eating, or sleeping. Over time, it becomes automatic, like your heartbeat. From the method teachings, we know this mantra induces automatic yoga. During your 15-minute meditations, your body might sway, twitch, or perform pranayam, breaths spontaneously. These are not random. They are guided by the awakened kundalini, cleansing toxins and balancing energies. No need to learn poses. The divine intelligence handles it. The role of this mantra in awakening is unparalleled. It quiets the mind, which is often flooded with thoughts. As explained in the thoughts during meditation sessions, thoughts are natural, like waves on the ocean, but relentless chanting settles them, relieving inner stillness. Subconscious clutter clears, leading to intuitive knowledge and visions of past or future. In terms of uniqueness, this mantra settled Guru Siddha Siddha Yoga apart. Other paths might require vocal chanting or complex spirituals, but here it's silent and effortless. It's free for all human trees. As Guru Siddha believed, spiritual knowledge is a birthright, not a commodity. For transformation, the mantra heals the triples. Afflictions, physical diseases like AIDS or cancer fade. Mental, depression, anxiety dissolve into bliss. And spiritual, karmic burdens lift, leading to moksha. It's home-based chant while computing or relaxing at home. No cost involved, just your sincere practice. This mantra also aligns you with the global shift. As consciousness evolves worldwide, the Sanjeevani vibrations tune you to higher frequencies. Prepare for the new earth. Now let's get practical. The beauty of Guru Siddha Siddha Yoga is its simplicity. No need for gurus in person or elaborate setups. Here's the step-by-step method straight from the teachings. First, receive initiation. Watch a video of Guru Siddha Sanjeevani Mantra. It's free and instant daily practice. Sit comfortably, cross-legged, on a chair or even lying down. Gaze at Guru Siddha's photo for a minute, imprinting the image. Close your eyes and silently request, help me meditate for 15 minutes. Focus on the Agya Chakra, third eye, between eyebrows, and visualize his image there. Chant the Sanjeevani mantra mentally for 15 minutes, twice daily, morning and evening. Allow any spontaneous movements. There are automatic yoga for purification. Continue chanting mentally all day. After weeks, it becomes a japa jap. This home-based approach fits any lifestyle. Meditate in your living room, office, or park. Empty stomach preferred, but flexible. Benefits unfold gradually. Physically health improves, addictions vanish, mind sharpens. For kids, it boosts focus and creativity. Uniqueness. No dietary rules, no sermons, just pure practice. Free. Always emphasizing service to humanity. This practice heals the three types of afflictions: adhibhautik, external; adhidevik, natural; adhyatmic, inner. Diseases root in karma. Mantra dissolves them. On a global scale, we are in Kali Yugas and shifting to Satya, the 5D era of higher consciousness. Guru Siddha Siddha Yoga prepares you by elevating your vibrations. Practitioners become beacons for new earth, fostering love, compassion, and unity. The supramental force, divine energy descending, align with Krishna consciousness, transforming society. Dear seekers, this is your call to action. Start today with the Sanjeevani mantra and meditate. Experience the awakening, transformation, and the global alignment. Share this light. Thanks. Jai Gurudev. Jai Dada Gurudev.
Now we will begin meditation. Please watch this video for 1 minute. Look carefully at Gurudev's picture and absorb it into your eyes and mind. After this, close your eyes and continuously try to visualize Gurudev's image at the Ajna Chakra, the center between the eyebrows. While listening to the mantra, start chanting it silently in your mind. Pray to Gurudev for guidance and permission to meditate for 15 minutes.
Kling Krishna Kling, 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 क्लिंग कृष्ण क्लिंग 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 क्लिंग कृष्ण क्लिंग।
जय गुरुदेव श्री रामलाल जी सियाग। जय दादा गुरुदेव बाबा गंगईनाथ।